Good afternoon, everybody. A very warm welcome to all the participants, respected COA members, trade members, and all associations present over here for our webinar today on MSME Sustainable Z Certification Scheme, which we are jointly actually conducting with MSME-DFO Aurangabad Ministry of MSME Office, Government of India. A very special welcome to all our dignitaries who are invited over here as speakers to share their valuable insights and guide us on the Z certification scheme. We welcome Shri Narendra Estolkar, sir, Joint Director, MSME-DFO Aurangabad, who is one of our senior most officers of MSME-DFO office with several years of experience in field of MSME, who has always been a great support in guiding our MSMEs. Also, we would like to welcome Shri Subhash Ingewar, sir, Assistant Director, MSME-DFO Aurangabad office, who also is one of the most humble and knowledgeable officers presently, present today at our forum. It is indeed pleasure to welcome our expert speaker today on Z certification scheme, Shri Vijay Khonde ji, empaneled faculty for Z certification. Vijay sir is mechanical engineer by profession, certified Z consultant from Quality Council of India, and is having more than 35 years of experience in industrial field, including implementation of zero defect, zero effect solutions, lean manufacturing, TPM, productivity, and quality improvement projects. As we all know that MSMEs are the growth engines of the Indian economy, who are playing a major role in boosting India's exports. We at Plexconcil, through such knowledge sharing platforms, have been regularly guiding our trade members on various government incentives which are beneficial for the growth of MSMEs. Today's webinar on MSME Sustainable Z Certification Scheme will be a knowledge sharing session webinar wherein our participants will get an opportunity to understand how they can upgrade their businesses by adopting the best practices in work culture, standardization of products, processes, and systems through Z certification scheme, which will in turn help them to enhance their global competitiveness and sustainability. With this, without further delay, I would request Shri Estolkar sir to start the session. Sir, can you please?
Good afternoon and very warm welcome to all participants, dignitaries who are joining from various districts on various levels. I would like to, first of all, give a warm welcome to all, such as Plexconcil of India, Plastic Council of India, Export Council, then my colleagues, Subhash Ingewar ji, all industry associations, our impaneled faculty, Mr. Vijay Khonde ji, and all the dear participants. As you are aware that our Honorable Prime Minister has given a thought of line of zero defect, zero effect product, that we should have a one standard like that, so that once our product are zero defect, we can produce product of zero defect, and that product or that process is not going to affect our environment. On that line and that guidance, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Government of India has come up with this revolutionary step for enhancing the competitiveness of our micro, small entrepreneurs uh, to sustain in the international market. This zero effect certification will provide not only improve your quality, but it also provide cleanness, production, safety, and uh, efficiency of your production area also. So, I first of all welcome all of you and appeal all of you to get the knowledge of what is the scheme, what is the benefit, what are available in the schemes, what is the procedure, how to adopt zero defect, zero effect sustainable scheme in your working area. You are actually working with the various norms. You are having ISO 9000, you are having lean management system, various there are different techniques, tools to enhance your management efficiencies. So by clubbing all these, you have one certification which is known as Z certification, and which can be which can help you out to enhance your productivity, enhance your production, enhance your export, enhance your sale, enhance your marketing assessment, yeah, enhance your participation in government purchase. So, with this, I would like to uh, hand over the dais to our impaneled faculty, Sri Vijay Khonde sir. Now I request Sri Khonde sir to give a thorough insights of the scheme and also the procedure. If possible, one or two maybe get demonstration by joining themselves uh, or by participating in this zero defect, zero effects scheme. Over to you, sir, Sri Vijay Khonde sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. First of all, I will take this opportunity to welcome you all, and at the same time, thank you, MSME-DFO Aurangabad office, Estolkar sir and Ingewar sir. At the same time, Munadi madam from Domestic Promotion Council. So I thank you, both of you, to give for giving me this opportunity to talk about zero defect, zero effect, that is head sustainable scheme. So I will be explaining you the scheme, and maybe I will suggest that uh, after presentation, we will have some question answer session, so that while presenting, you can just note down whatever your doubts or question, and at the end of the presentation, you can ask me. But if any some urgent need is there, you want to clear the doubt then and then also you can disturb me. But I think I don't I will be not able to understand. So maybe Brunali madam, you can intervene me and stop me and ask the question. But if the question and answer session is at the end of the session, it will be better. So
We'll
uh,
keep it in the end, sir. Actually,
yes, yes,
let
yes,
the flow go, and then
yes, yes.
we'll keep the session in the end.
No problem, no problem. Yes, yes. So give me a minute. I will just share my presentation.
Request all of you to please mute yourself so that you can get uninterrupted visual audio.
So, Munal madam, can everybody see my presentation screen?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. Once again, welcome you all. This is Vijay Khonde. Basically, I am mechanical engineer, as introduced by Murali madam. I am a certified ZeD consultant from Quality Council of India, and having more than 35 years experience in the field of uh, quality and productivity promotion and all these things. So uh, uh, in today's presentation, we will try to understand what is ZeD. Then we will also understand ZeD certification. What is the process and what are the parameters? On what basis we are getting all this certification? And then we will also come to know about the benefits and incentives for the MSMEs. We will also discuss about how to apply for the ZeD certification, what are the parameters we will see, and how to upload the documents on the ZeD portal. So all this is basically we will include in our today's presentation. So what is ZeD? Let me tell you that while addressing on 68th Independence Day, Honorable Prime Minister declared this for the first time. Okay, what he declared? He said that whatever products we produce in our manufacturing units, they should have zero defect, so that once we export that product or once you dispatch that product to our customer, you should not come back. That means you should have zero defect. And at the same time, the manufacturing processes which we are using in our organization, in our company, it should have minimum or no negative impact on the environment. That means there should be no pollution or something like that due to our process, and if at all it is there, we should try to minimize it. So in line with the vision of Prime Minister, just like Mr. Estolkar sir explained us, the Ministry of MSME, Government of India, designed this scheme, which is called as ZED Sustainable Scheme for the benefits of MSME, and Quality Council of India, that is nothing but the QCI, is the implementing agency for this scheme. QCI is again one independent government organization which is responsible for the implementation of the scheme. So what are the objectives of this scheme? As we are all aware that MSME sector is the responsible, is having a major role in development, innovation, and employment in the Indian economy. So government has decided to support this MSME industries, small and micro industries, so, in through these zero effects initiatives, so that the people or the organization should become national and international champions. The aim is to become to produce the national and international champions through this MSME sector. And at the same time, when we have to bring our focus in quality and productivity and environment, then only we will be able to become the competitiveness, or we will become the experts in this field. So they improve the competitiveness to increase the competitiveness and enabling exports. So everybody should be able to fight with the global competition. That is the basic idea. Our productivity should be such that our quality should be such that we should be able to face the global competition. Okay, that's why we should be able to more and more do more and more exports. That is the basic idea. And this which sector, the MSME sector, is supposed to give this maximum impact. So I request that there's some noises there from background. I think I request everybody to mute their mics. Okay. So the vision, what is the vision? To improve the MSME manufacturing systems and processes. जहां तक मैं समझता हूँ, थोड़ा सा मैं हिंदी इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे ताकि थोड़ा सा और अंडरस्टैंडिंग हमारा अच्छा हो जाए. ओके.
सर अगर हिंदी में भी बात करते हैं, नॉट एन इशू.
नो प्रॉब्लम. यस यस यस. आई विल ट्राई टू मिक्स इन.
मेजरली सभी जानते हैं हिंदी.
चलेगा चलेगा. मैं हिंदी में बात करने की कोशिश करता हूँ.
हाँ जी, मतलब जो भी कंफर्ट जोन.
यस, बिल्कुल 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 बिल्कुल. तो जब हम क्वालिटी,
sorry, we are not comfortable in Hindi. Please go ahead in English, sir. If something goes in English, Hindi, one or two.
Yeah, I will explain in English. Okay, no problem. And if at all you don't understand anything, you are always welcome to ask me at the end of the session, or maybe in between. No problem. Sure. Okay. Yeah. So what is the vision? To improve the systems and processes. जब तक हमारा systems और processes improve नहीं होता, तब तक हमारा quality और productivity improve नहीं होगा. So इसके लिए हमारा focus, we should have always focus on our systems and processes. Okay. So who is eligible for this particular scheme to take part in this ZED scheme? Is anybody who is having Udyam registration. Okay. Nowadays, in previous cases, people used to have Udyam Aadhaar. Okay, who is having Udyog Aadhar, he can easily convert, migrate to Udyam registration, and all MSMEs having Udyam registration are eligible to participate in this particular scheme. This particular scheme is right now it is for manufacturing sector in phase 1, but government is planning to extend this scheme in the next phase for the service sector also. So very soon we will see that service sector is also included in this ZED scheme. But right now it is only for manufacturing. So now we will come to the scheme. Basically, there are 3 certification levels. First is a bronze, second level is the silver level, and third one is a gold level. These are the certification level. So when we have to first register ourselves on the ZED portal, on ZED website, that I will be explaining you to everybody, and then we have to take a ZED pledge. After taking ZED pledge, the MSME can apply for any certification level. So that, so I will just explain here the process of bronze certification. First of all, everybody, we have to log in online registration by putting your Udyam registration number and mobile number, which is attached or which is connected to your Udyam registration. We have to enter that, get it registered. Once you get registered, we have to take the pledge and you have to do some undertakings. After that, you will receive your login ID and password on your email ID. Okay, whatever you email ID you are giving to the on the portal while registering, on that email ID you will receive the login ID and password. You have to use that credentials and you have to log in the ZED portal, and then you have to upload some documents. Which documents I will be explaining you to next time, in some few minutes. And then uh, uh, online verification will be there. Whatever the documents you have uploaded, there will be online verification. Based on that online verification, if there is any NC non-conformance, uh, 1 month time will be given and from 5 attempts will be given. And if everything is okay, it will be recommended and we will get the ZED bronze certificate. Okay, the first level, that is the bronze certification process I have explained you. Okay, once you are bronze certified, now the same, now this is the first win is there, bronze certification, then the silver and the gold. What is the difference? I will just tell you. There is only one difference. Basically, in bronze certification, it is only document verification. There is no assessment as far as concerned. But in silver and gold, there will be assessment will be there. In silver, right now, it is online assessment. But in the case of gold, that is on-site assessment. That means auditors will come to our units in our office and in our factory. They will audit, they will assess everything. Okay, and then they will issue the certificate to us. So once you are bronze certified, we are eligible to get some benefits. The first benefit is the MSMEs with minimum bronze certification are eligible to apply for hand holding support for the further certification, further levels, silver and gold. Okay, and 5 lakh rupees budget has been allocated by government of India to each and every MSME. How that I will explain up to further. So now I will explain you the process of silver certification. For the silver certification, you will have, it is assumed that you are having bronze certification with you. Then again, you have to apply and request for hand holding support. Okay, because many cases this consultancy support of consultant or support of some external agency is required to prepare for the certification. So that support is made available by government of India. For you have to apply for that hand holding support, and then Their handholding will be given. One consultant will be given to you. Which the consultant will come to your factory for 4 months in 3 phases. He will prepare you for the certification, and then again you have to upload documents. Then on-site or online assessment will be there. Right now it is on-site online assessment, but it is in very near future that for silver also on-site assessment is going to be there. So again, if there is a NC, in this case now 2 months time will be given and 5 attempts are given, so that you should be able to correct those all NCs. And if everything goes okay, you are recommended for the certification and you are awarded with the silver certification. The same case, the same flow is for the gold certification. Okay, there is no difference. So I will just now how what is decided, how it is decided that whether you are bronze certificate or silver certificate or gold certificate, how it is decided. So this is decided on the parameters, which parameters you are applying for or which your parameters you are complying to. So for the bronze certification, these 5 parameters are there. First is leadership. I will be explaining all these parameters to you in detail, but right now only I will just read on. First is leadership, then is Swachh workplace, then workplace safety, measurement of timely delivery, and quality management. These 5 parameters are applicable for bronze certification. Okay. When we move from bronze to silver, some more parameters are coming picture. So what are those parameters? The 6th parameter is human resource management. 7th parameter is daily work management. 8th parameter is plan maintenance and calibration. 9th parameter is process control. 10th parameter is product quality and safety. 11th parameter is material management. 12th parameter is energy management. 13th parameter is environment management. And 14th parameter is measurement and analysis. This 5 plus this 9, total 14 parameters are for silver certification. When you are complying all these 14 parameters, you are supposed to get the silver certification. Now from silver to gold, what are the parameters that are included? 15th parameter that is included after silver is the supply chain management. Then 16th parameter is the risk management. 17th parameter is waste management, that is Mura, Mura and Muri. 18th parameter is technology selection and upgradation. 19th parameter is natural resource conservation. And 20th, the last parameter, but not least, it is a corporate social responsibility. These are the parameters, 20 parameters, which are considered for the improvement and the assessment and the auditing of our company. When we are complying to all these parameters, basically ZED assessor will see to it that you are complying all these parameters, and then only your company will be ZED certified, ZED bronze, ZED silver, or ZED gold on the parameter. Basically which parameters or which level you apply for and which level you comply for. Okay. And for this for implementing all these parameters, government is extending support of the external consultant to you. So I will be just explaining what are those parameters now. What are the parameters and how it will help you to improve in our organization or in your unit. The first parameter is the leadership. What is leadership? Basically, in leadership, it is decided, or it is supposed to have roles and responsibilities of each and every person working in our organization. I am working from so many years in this particular field, particularly in small industries. This parameter is having absence. Oh, the roles and responsibilities of each and every person are not defined. So who don't know what has to be done. Okay, so in this particular parameter, we have to clearly define the roles and responsibility of each and every person working in the organization, so that every person knows what he is supposed to do, when he is supposed to do, and what he is answerable for. Okay, now the next parameter is Swachh workplace. Now, now everybody knows what is the importance of Swachh workplace. If our workplace is Swachh, that means clean, definitely it gives a very good impact, not only on your stakeholders, customers and all, but the people working on the shop floor, if they are working at such workplace, definitely their productivity will be improved. Definitely their safety will improve, and he will feel that yes, I am working at some respectable place. So this Swachh workplace is having very good impact on the working environment of any organization. So that's why this Swachh workplace parameter is having very much importance in this particular model. Then the third parameter is occupational workplace safety. Safety is as important as our productivity, production. The person must be safe. Okay, so whatever the safety requirements are there, we should adhere to all the safety requirements. हमारे कंपनी में जो जो सेफ्टी की जरूरत है, क्या हम लोग सब पीपीईज यूज कर रहे हैं, क्या हमारे कंपनी में जो मशीन्स जो ऑपरेशंस हो रहे हैं वो करते समय क्या हमारे लोग, क्या हमारे पीपल आर सेफ इनफ. So we have to take care of our people in this particular parameter, that is nothing but workplace safety. Then the parameter number 4 is measurement of timely delivery. What is this? Generally, whenever we get any order, so the customer is asking that some delivery schedule should be there, and and this particular parameter assesses whether you are giving importance, or the whether you are really delivering the at the right time when your customer was expecting it. So whether you are monitoring that. Okay, so this is also हम time पे हम delivery दे रहे क्या नहीं. Okay, what if on time in full, this particular parameter we are seeing it that what is our performance. If not, you are not right now, if you are not achieving 100% OTIF, but at least you should try in that direction. So this is the fourth parameter. And the fifth parameter in the bronze is the quality management. What are the processes, how you are managing the quality in your organization. So quality management is the one of the fifth parameter. Okay, now these only 5 parameters are applicable for the bronze. Okay, after that, now we are moving from bronze to silver. In silver, first 5 parameters are also applicable, but again these few new parameters are added. The human resource management. What we are supposed to do in human resource management? We are supposed to develop the skills and competencies of people working in our organization. We have to find out the gaps. What are the skill gaps? And we have to plan a training schedule and training or hand holding, whatever it may be, so that the skill level of your people should go on increasing and increasing day by day. When your skill level goes on increasing, naturally it will have impact on the productivity and the quality of your products which you are supplying to your customers. Okay, then seventh parameter is the daily work management. How you are managing your daily work, or are you planning for any daily work management? So this is the parameter which is being considered for this. Then the eighth parameter is the plan maintenance and calibration. Are we maintaining our resources? Are we maintaining our machineries and equipments in a planned way? Are we doing maintenance when machine gets breakdown? Okay, in case of breakdown maintenance, the losses are more. So we have to have a preventive maintenance schedule for the our machines. At the same time, we have to have calibration schedule for all the measuring and all instruments in our company. So this particular parameter is taking care of all these things. Then ninth parameter is the process control. What is the process control? What it will identify what are the critical processes which are governing quality of your products. Which are the processes which are more responsible for producing or imparting quality in your products. So we have to identify it and how you are controlling that process. Okay, that is being considered in this process control parameter. Then the parameter 10, number 10 is the product quality and safety. Which are the parameters? Is there any requirement of product quality testing or any certification is required? The consultant will study your products and your processes, and on that basis he will suggest you is if there is a requirement of any product testing is required. Many products require many times testing, but many times the people or the MSME units are not aware of it. So the it will help you to identify if your products are require any certification or any testing is required. Okay, then the material management. In the parameter of material management, it is taught or either it is even that means material. What is seen is that in minimum inventory you should produce maximum output. So this is the thing. Minimum inventory, then less inventory. You should have less raw material, less WIP, and less object stock in your company so that you should give maximum output. Because inventory is nothing but the capital blocked in terms of material. So you should have minimum inventory in your organization. That is being considered or taken care by the 11th parameter, that is nothing but the material management. Now the 12th parameter is energy management. What are the energy sources you are using and how efficiently they are being used? This will be considered in this energy management. And 13th parameter is environmental management. Whatever I was telling you that is any process or are in our processes in our organization, are they giving any impact on the negative impact on the environment? If at all it is there, we have to have a thought process to reduce that negative impact. So that will be given consideration in the parameter number 13. That is nothing but the environmental management. Parameter number 14 is a measurement and analysis. What is the what is being done in the measurement analysis? How we are managing, how we are concluding, how we are deciding that our organization is progressing or declining. So what are the parameters? How you are, what are the KPIs, key process indicators? So basically in this particular parameter, we decide the KPIs, and so that on monthly basis we should review all these KPIs so that you should be able to understand where my organization is going. Then this up to this 14 parameter, these are considered for the silver certification. When we go from silver to gold, now some more parameters are coming in picture. So the 15th parameter is the supply chain management. That means the quality of your suppliers definitely is giving impact on quality of your products. So you have to manage your suppliers also. So this particular parameter is focusing on improving of your supply chain. Then 16th parameter is a risk management. Today my business is running, but is that my business is having any risk in future? So what are those risks and how I should plan today to mitigate that all this risk? This is considered in the risk management. 17th parameter is a waste management. Here waste is not कचरा, फेंकने वाला चीज, ये यहाँ पे नहीं, उसका अर्थ ये है कि यहाँ पे है नॉन वैल्यू एडिंग एक्टिविटीज। हम हमारे कंपनी में कई ऐसे एक्टिविटीज करते हैं जो कि नॉन वैल्यू एडिंग एक्टिविटीज है, लेकिन हम जो है ना सालों साल वो करते रहते हैं, इसके लिए हमारे नजर में नहीं आता कि ये एक्टिविटी नॉन वैल्यू एडिंग है क्या वैल्यू एडिंग है। सो हियर this particular parameter is helping us to know about what is value adding and what is non value adding. So we have to have uh, list of all, or we have to focus on these activities. We have to see to it that we should eliminate the non-value adding activities, or if you are not able to eliminate, at least you should try to reduce them. So this particular in Japanese language, it is called as a mura, mura, and muri. It is a very vast subject. Maybe when consultant will come to your organization for the implementation, he can give you more detailed training on this particular subject. Now the parameter number 18 is their technology selection upgradation. Is there any new technology is available in market? So what technology now? The IoT, AI, okay, artificial intelligence, these technologies are being used by the organizations also in manufacturing sector also. So are we using, or where we can use that new technology, industry 4.0? Okay, so internet of things, we have to start thinking in that direction, and which technology we can adopt in our organization is being considered in this particular parameter number 18. That is nothing but the technology selection and upgradation. Then 19 is the natural resource conservation. Okay, renewable sources, non-renewable sources, what efforts we are doing to reduce the natural resource conservation. And then the last but not the least is the 20 parameter number 10p. That is nothing but the corporate social responsibility. You must be aware that uh, big organizations are having some target to spend some money out of their profit. They have to have spend some money on CSR activities. But in this case, for small and micro industries, it is not, you are not supposed to spend some money, but you have to have that feeling in your mind how you should giving back to your society, because you are getting from society. In what way you are thinking to give back to the society? So this is the 20 parameter number 20. All these parameters are there on this parameter, 20 parameters. People, we are working, we are upgrading our organization, and we are getting the certified our organization, so that we get all the benefits. If we are organization is uh, ISO certified or some lean certified, then some parameters are exempted from the audit, but we have to work on it, but only audit will not happen. So now I will talk upon some benefits or incentives. What will be the benefit? Why I should implement ZeD in my organization? What will be the benefits? So here is a some list, few parameters or the list of benefits. First is the neat and clean workplace. Okay, when we are implementing Swachh workplace in at workplace, definitely our workplace is going to become neat and clean. So if our workplace is neat and clean, okay, our safety at workplace will definitely improve. We are working on skill levels also, so we will have people with more skill levels, high skill levels, and we will have more satisfied employees in our company. Quality, improved quality of products, definitely, because of everything the quality of our products will going to improve. When quality improves, definitely there is going to be less rejection and rework. When there is a less rejection rework, definitely there is a no return products from the customers, lower cost, streamline operations. That means the things will go move very smoothly because we are using daily work management. We are defining who is supposed to do what, when he is supposed to do all these things. The system will be going to place in your organization so that your operations will be streamlined, and everything this will affect your increasing of your profit. Definitely your customers will be more satisfied, and there will be no firefighting in your organization. We are having preventive maintenance technology systems in your company, so there will be definitely less breakdowns. We are working on inventory management, material management, so it will affect your inventory also. We are working on energy also, so energy cost is going to be reduced. We are working on environment management, so definitely the pollution is also going to be reduced in your organization. A credible recognition of the industry for international customers seeking investment in India. जो बाहर के लोग इन्वेस्टमेंट करना चाहते हैं इंडिया के अंदर, तो वो जेड सर्टिफाइड कंपनीज को डेफिनेटली दे विल गिव द फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस टू हैव दिस इमेज ऑफ रिस्पांसिबल enterprise. When you are a Z certified company, that means you will have some proud, yes, my company is a Z certified company. It will have a responsible enterprise. So here, up to here, there are the uh, benefits which you are supposed we will be getting by implementing or the all the parameters of Z in your organization. But now some people are telling, sir, this is okay, no problem. What you are telling is that, भाई पिताजी तो बोलते हैं ना अपने लड़के को, भाई आप जो है ना रोज सवेरे 4 बजे उठना चाहिए, व्यायाम करना चाहिए, ये खाना चाहिए, लड्डू खाना चाहिए, घी पीना चाहिए, दूध पीना चाहिए, ये सब ठीक है, ये करने से तो अच्छा ही होगा ना, लेकिन मेरे को कुछ क्या पैसे के बारे में, इज देयर एनी मॉनेटरी बेनिफिट्स, इज देयर एनी क्या बोलते हैं उसको, फाइनेंशियल बेनिफिट्स हमको मिलने वाले हैं क्या? यस, डेफिनेटली गवर्नमेंट इज गिविंग many financial benefits for getting Z certification, and after certification also government is giving many incentives and assistance. So what is that? Now I will be explaining to you. The first is subsidy on certification. ये जो सर्टिफिकेशन है ब्रॉन्ज, सिल्वर, गोल्ड, so there is a fees for certification. Okay, so the first benefit is that government is giving a very heavy subsidy for the certification. How much the certificate subsidy is there, I will be explaining you in few minutes. Then the financial support for testing product certification. Okay, whatever, suppose consultant is coming to you and he is telling that you are supposed to do this testing, you are supposed to have this type of certification. If that we are going for that certification or testing, government is giving you financial support for that particular testing or certification. Subsidy on handholding. I am telling you that a consultant will come to your organization, he will teach you, he will handhold you, he will consult you, but he is not going to come for free of cost. Okay, so whatever the fee of that consultant is again heavily subsidized. How much that subsidy, I will come to know. You will come to know very soon. And subsidy on technology upgradation for zero effect solution. If there is some chance, some improvement scope is there in your organization for zero effect pollution कम करने के लिए कुछ इक्विपमेंट आपके पास लेने की जरूरत है, अगर वो इक्विपमेंट आपने परचेज किया तो आपका पोल्यूशन कम हो सकता है, अगर ऐसी कुछ है तो वो लेने के लिए भी गवर्नमेंट आपको काफी सब्सिडी दे रही है. वो कितना सब्सिडी है मैं बताऊंगा. इसके अलावा ग्रेडेड इंसेंटिव जो है मेनी स्टेट्स, सब मेनी गवर्नमेंट्स, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स, फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस, मिनिस्ट्रीज और बैंक्स ने अलग अलग सब्सिडीज अलग अलग इंसेंटिव डिक्लेयर किए हैं. Okay, we can all these incentives or subsidies we can see. Where we can see? We can see on the ZeD portal. We have to, when you log in on your ZeD portal, you will be able to see क्या क्या subsidies जो है वो कौन से बैंक ने क्या क्या subsidy दिया है, कौन से वो सब वहाँ पे दिया है. I will, if time permits, I will show you on the website also. So now we will come to know what is the certification cost and what is the subsidy. Bronze certification cost is 10,000 rupees. Silver certification cost is 40,000 rupees, and gold certification cost is 90,000 rupees. So what is subsidy now? Subsidy on cost of subsidy. Micro, if you are micro enterprise, then you will be having 80% subsidy. If you are in a small enterprise, the subsidy is 60%, and if you are a medium enterprise, the subsidy is 50%. There is some additional subsidy also. What is that additional subsidy? When you register yourself on ZeD portal for the ZeD certification, on registration itself, you get a 10,000 rupees of joining reward. Okay, and that joining reward you can utilize for bronze, silver, or gold, any certification. Not any, it is not like that. When you register, 10,000 rupees come in, cash comes in your account. It is not like that. But that joining reward you can use for either for a bronze certification or silver certification or the gold certification. It will, the cost will get adjusted. Okay. Now there is additional subsidy of 5% for the Spurti or MSc CDP program. There is Spurti clusters are there, and MSc CDP cluster development program is there. If your company, if your organization, if your unit is a part of a Spurti cluster or MSc CDP cluster, you will get 5% additional subsidy. And if your organization is a woman entrepreneur or SC/ST or aspirational districts, so additional 10% subsidy will be there. So now let me explain you that if you are going for silver certification and you are in micro enterprises, so what will be your subsidy? 40,000, 80% of 40,000. That means 32,000 rupees will be your subsidy. And if you happen to have a woman entrepreneur, then you will get 80 plus 9, 10. That means 90%. 90% of the 40,000. Okay. So this much subsidy you will get. If required, we can talk detail afterwards also. Then you will get financial assistance testing system product certification. If you are going for any product certification, just like ISO certification, or you are going for testing of products, then the 75% of the cost of that system, of that testing or certification will be borne by the government, or it will be reimbursed, will be there. 75% cost will be reimbursed. But there is only two conditions. First condition is that you will be reimbursed one certificate at one level. That means when you are bronze certified, you can reimburse one certificate. Then when you upgrade to silver, you can upgrade to another one certificate. And when you go for gold, you can reimburse for one more certificate. And the next condition is that what the lab where you are getting your product tested, or the certificate you are getting from the agency, you should be NABL accredited, or the certifying body should be NABCP accredited. That is the condition, because nowadays we know that people are getting ISO certificate 5,000, 10,000 rupees. So that certificate is not valued for this reimbursement, but you have to have that certifying body should be NABCB. Okay, that is nothing but the government organization. So that is NABCB accreditation body. So now I will just explain you. This is that certificate. This is the normal certificate without NABCB. If you have this type of certificate, it will be not reimbursed. But this is the ISO certificate of NABCB. This is the logo. This logo is there on that particular certificate. If you are having a certificate with this logo, then you can reimburse the cost of your certification. Then the second subsidy is the handholding support for ZeD certification. That means the consultancy. The consulting fee is 2 lakh rupees. And if you are a micro entrepreneur, then you will be given 80% subsidy. If you are again small, 60%, and medium, 50% subsidy. That means if your organization is a micro and you are going for a handholding consultant, then you are not supposed to pay 2 lakh rupees, but you have to pay only 20% of 2 lakhs. That means 40,000 rupees. And the one more beauty in this subsidy is that in previous many cases, when subsidy we are getting subsidy after expenses are done. That means we have to do the expenses, the full amount, and then we have to apply for the subsidy so that the remaining amount you get back from the government. But unfortunately, in this particular case, government is not asking like that. It is giving, we are getting the subsidy on application itself. That means when you are applying for handholding support, you are only supposed to pay 20% of 2 lakh and not the 100%, and then ask back the 80%. Okay. Here the condition is when you are asking for handholding support or consultancy, you should be minimum bronze certified, and consultancy only for QCI approved consulting organization. That means nobody can come and give you consultancy. If at all he knows about it, he has to be empaneled consultant, certified consultant from the QCI. Like we are having in boon management 27 consultants, and on all India level, I think till today there are some more than 50 consultants are there all over India. So that consultant and that consulting body is decided by the QCI. Support in technology upgradation for zero effect solution. When you are doing some investment for technology upgradation in zero effect solution, that means some pollution control equipment, if you are purchasing, so in that case, again up to 3 lakh rupees, maximum 3 lakh rupees subsidy is given, that reimbursement is given. Okay, in case of micro 80%, in case of small 60%, and in medium 50%, and the maximum ceiling limit is 3 lakh rupees. Okay, so this is the condition here is that the technology upgradation, whatever you are doing, should be recommended by the consultant, and it should be verified and approved by MSME DI officers and PMAC. So at least one side it is very good, because if you do some technology upgradation and then go to government, say that this equipment I have purchased, now give me my 80% back, and government will say no, this is not the equipment you are supposed to purchase. So this type of things should not happen. So पहले ही हम जो टेक्नोलॉजी अपडेशन करने वाले हैं उसका हमें अप्रूवल लेना चाहिए। सबसे पहले कंसल्टेंट ने उसको रिकमेंड करना चाहिए, और वो एमएसएमई डीआई ऑफिसेस और पीएमए से हमको पहले अप्रूवल लिया जाता है, और देन ओनली आफ्टर गेटिंग द क्लियरेंस फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट we are doing the investment, so that we are very much sure that we will get back our money back. This is nothing but the international cooperation scheme. And right now this scheme is under hold, but it is supposed to be launched anytime. When that will come, so ZeD certified companies will have some additional benefits for the international cooperation. That means when you are participating in international fairs, so stall charges, airfare, freight charges, in that some additional benefits are there for the ZeD certified companies. Digital MSME scheme is going to come very soon. So all ZeD certified companies will have a digital MSME scheme subscription free of cost. So railways have given some concessions and some incentives. Banks, many banks have given some incentives. Many banks have given concession in processing fees, in rate of interest rate cutting, and preference in lending. So which bank have given what percentage of increase decrease is declared by them, and it is available on the ZeD website. Credit bureaus, okay, when you are ZeD certified company, your credit rating is will be definitely increase. Okay, so these are the some of the benefits by applying here. How we are supposed to apply, it is given. Okay, this is nothing but the website, ZeD website, zedmsme.gov.in. You have to go to registration. Then you have to put your Udyam registration number here. You have to put your mobile number. Tick over here, I am not robot, and then press proceed. Okay. When you press proceed, then you have to select your unit here. Then you have to give your email ID. Enter the email ID again. Then you have to select the activity. Then here is pledge. Pledge will come. Then you have to click here. I will pledge. Once you pledge, this type of pledge certificate will be given to you online, and it will be also mailed to you. Then uh, after this condition, the email ID on your email ID, your login ID and password is sent, and then again you have to log in by with your credentials, and then you can apply for bronze, silver, and gold like that. So after get certification, these are the some sample certificates which we'll be getting. So this is the website. So yeah, there are some how we are supposed to upload the document. Some photographs are required to be uploaded. So it is somewhere explained in there. Some slides. You have to upload some photographs of your company. You have to upload the photographs of your fire extinguishers, PPEs being used. What are the PPEs that are being used in your company? Okay, some
Vijay,
safety posters.
sorry to
Yes,
bother
yes, yes,
you.
ma'am. Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you please repeat the slide which we have to register on Z certification?
Just a minute.
Yeah. That one earlier.
Yeah. Yeah, this is correct.
No,
Okay.
Z certification.
Yeah, yeah. This
URL
is
is there. Yes.
this is the website.
Thank you, sir.
zed.msme.gov.in. Okay. So
Yes.
I will see to it that uh, ZED. Okay. Yeah, this is the website. Can you see?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah.
ZED.msme.gov.in. Here you have to just go down, then that register now. When you click here, register now.
Yes, sir.
This,
Got it. Thank
yeah,
you so much.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Correct.
You carry on.
Correct.
Thank you.
Now, what I was trying to show you is the benefits of what are the benefits, how it is given, given in the website. Yeah. Yeah. Just a minute. Huh? Mhm. Yeah. So here, if when you can see this benefits and incentives. Okay. If you click here, the benefits and incentives are shown over here. Okay, like this. So I will go to some banks, Ministry of Micro Credit Guarantee Scheme, Ministry of Micro and Small Enterprises Credit Guarantee Scheme, increase guarantee coverage of 85% for ZED certified MSEs. The contact number of that particular office is given over here. Then credit guarantee scheme, financial institutions, Northeast Small Finance Bank. Okay, processing fees waiver 0.15%, interest rate waiver 0.15%. Anji Jyoti Das, contact number, like that. Everything is given. ICICI Bank, waiver in processing fee, 25% concession in processing fees. Then Yes Bank, concession on pricing. Then ISAB Small Finance Bank. Then Fusion Infotech Bank. Then State Bank of India. State Bank of India is giving 5% concession in processing charges, upfront fees, 5 BPS interest concession. Central Bank of India. So this type of when if I go to you can just go and select here state. If you select the state here, suppose I select Maharashtra. Yeah, Maharashtra. Then what are the benefits for Maharashtra government are given. Some additional incentives by Maharashtra government also declared. That I will try to. I'm trying to. Bank of Maharashtra, Bank of Baroda, Federal Bank, Canara Bank, state incentive, Maharashtra. Additional incentives for strengthening MSMEs. The following incentives shall be admissible to the expansion projects of MSMEs so as to promote quality competitiveness, zero effect scheme, research and development, technology upgradation, water and energy conservation, cleaner production measures and credit rating. 5% subsidy only on additional capital equipment acquired for technology upgradation, subject to maximum of 25 lakhs. 75% subsidy on the expenses incurred on quality certification, limited to 1 lakh. 25% subsidy on additional capital equipment acquired for cleaner production measures, limited to 5 lakhs. 75% subsidy on expenses incurred on patent registration, limited to 10 lakhs for national patents and 20 lakhs for international patents. 75% cost of water audit, limited to 1 lakh. 75% cost of energy audit, limited to 2 lakhs. 50% of the cost of capital equipment under the measures to conserve recycle water, limited to 5 lakhs. 50% of the cost of the additional capital equipment for improving energy efficiency. So these are the additional benefits declared by government of Maharashtra, other than whatever I explained you by the central government. Whatever I explained you by the central government, but many state governments have declared their own incentives, additional incentives for the uh, for MSMEs who are going for ZED certification scheme. So this is the, I think, um, end of my presentation. So if anything is special is there, I will definitely, I am there to answer your questions.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
That was really a wonderful presentation, and it was absolutely useful for all our units, MSMEs who are, looking forward to upgrade their businesses.
Yeah.
Now we can go on to the FAQs. If any of the participants have any questions, please raise.
Yeah. You can
Yes,
unmute
ma'am.
yourself and ask. Yeah.
Sir, good afternoon. I need to have some consultant details, sir. We are from Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore.
Okay. Okay. Which place you are from? Tamil Nadu?
Coimbatore, sir.
Coimbatore.
Coimbatore.
Okay. What I will do is Coimbatore. I don't know anybody from Coimbatore, but there is some Chennai. There was somebody else. Somebody was there. Okay. Can you give me your contact details, phone number, so that I can share some numbers to you?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, please
Sir,
give me your number.
94864
94864
127
127
49.
49. Your
Yes.
name, sir?
Muralidharan from Precision Group of Companies.
Muralidharan. Okay, Coimbatore. COIM. Yeah.
BATORE.
Yeah. Coimbatore. Yeah. Definitely, I will let you know, sir. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, Vijay sir, the very nice presentation. There's
Thank you,
one
sir.
question.
Yeah.
In this bronze parameters, there's
Yeah.
number 3 parameter, occupational safety.
Yeah. Yeah.
Occupational safety, do we have to submit fire NOC?
No. You are not supposed to. They are not asking any fire NOC. Okay. What they are asking is that are you following the safety in processes? That means whether your people are using PPs, safety PPs. For example, safety shoes, hand gloves, or something like that. What are relevant for your processes?
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about pollution NOC?
Actually, we are supposed to have that all everything with you. Okay, but for bronze certification, they are not asking any evidence for that, whether you are having that NOC with you or not.
And what about gold and silver? Do we
Gold and
do we have to
silver.
submit fire
Yeah.
and pollution NOCs?
No, you are not supposed to submit any fire NOCs. Okay, we have to. There is a one only parameter we have to review the things, whether if you are having, and what is the date of expiry, then when you will upgrade it. If you are not having, then when you will apply for that. Like that, some review mechanism has to be there. That evidence they want.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
For trading firms,
Yeah.
is this certification applicable?
No, sir. Right now, it is not applicable for trading funds. It is now only for manufacturing sector. But as I said, very soon it will be extended for service sector also. But when, that I cannot tell you. Yeah.
There any kind of advantages do the ZED certification gets on the GEM portal?
Definitely, yes. Their first preference is given to ZED certified units.
Their
or
first
GEM
preference
portal.
is given to the
Yes.
ZED certified.
Yes.
And
Yes.
sir, one more thing, sir, do the ZED certifications also get any kind of preferences as far as litigation is concerned?
Which litigation you are telling?
Sir, I mean disputes in the trade.
No, sir. I am not aware about.
If the foreign buyer, they do not resolve or they do not remit the amount.
Ha.
That kind of international trades.
Yeah. Frankly speaking, I'm not aware about this, sir.
You're not aware, okay.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
also they get any kind of advantage as far as this in the customs regarding the clearing.
No, sir. No, sir, no.
Oh,
No.
okay. So we can quote it amongst our members that these two things is not there, but benefit on GEM portal is there definitely,
Yes, yes,
right?
definitely. GEM portal is there. Definitely, I know that. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Vijay sir, I have a query.
Yes, please.
Can you please let me know for Maharashtra who is the consultant there?
Maharashtra, which place you are there?
Our factory is located in Dadra Nagar Haveli and head office is in Mumbai.
Okay. So basically, what happens, your factory is in Dadra Nagar Haveli. Okay.
Yes, sir, Dadra Nagar Haveli.
Okay. Actually, Boon Management, our consulting, we are a consulting organization itself. Okay.
Boon
So
Management.
we are having consultants across the India, but only thing Coimbatore, nobody was there. But no person I was not knowing aware about it. So that's why I am at the number. But for you, definitely our Mumbai office will definitely help you.
Okay, sir, can
So
you share the contact details of Mumbai office?
definitely. Yeah. Somewhere I will. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good evening, Vijay sir.
Good evening, sir.
So
Good
we
evening.
are talking from the specialty polyfilms. We are the manufacturer of flexible films,
Okay.
and we have a certifications regarding the packaging sector,
Mm-hmm.
as well as the A8000, that is the social accountability, and the
Mm-hmm.
QMS ISO certification. We have three certifications and the membership of this Meta.
Okay.
Right. So we having all these three four certifications. Is there
Okay.
any support or any additional benefits for the certified companies?
Yes. First benefit is that in few parameters the exemption will be there. Okay. In the audit or assessment. Okay. And the second benefit is that you will get reimbursement of your certification cost.
Okay.
Whatever I explained you na, 75% of the cost will be reimbursed by the government of
And
the ISO certification.
yeah, and another query is that so we
Yeah,
are producing the flexible films for food packaging also.
correct.
That will be that will be below 50 microns. Is
Correct.
there any restrictions as per the CPCB or MPCB norms?
No, sir, no restrictions. There is no
Okay.
restrictions.
Okay.
As far as ZeD is concerned, so that
Mhm.
ZeD is concerned, there is no restriction whether you will get the certificate for ZeD or not. You will definitely get. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. As far as ZeD is concerned, there is no restriction.
Okay.
Any
Thank you, sir.
manufacturing. Yeah.
Sir, please share the Mumbai consultant details.
Yeah. Just how to share it, Murali madam?
Uh,
Can you share my card?
or sir, you can tell me your contact details. I will contact you on the
Yes.
mobile
You
number.
can note down my contact number. My number.
Please sir, बताइए.
Vijay Khonde 70
70
57
57
61
61
8636.
8636. Okay,
Yeah.
sir. We will
Definitely,
contact.
I will help you. No problem. No matter.
Thank you so much, sir. Vijay
Yes.
ji. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Anything else?
Hello. Do you have any phone number for Hyderabad's consultant?
Yes, Hyderabad. Yes. Hyderabad, Mr. Rao is there.
Yeah. Could you give
Yes.
me your his contact number?
Yes. Just a minute. I will give Mr. Rao. Mr. TVK Rao.
Yeah.
Yeah. TV Krishna Rao. His number is 96556.
Yeah. 96556.
35.
Yeah.
643.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. He is having Right now he is handling some few projects of ZeD there. He is from Hyderabad only. Yeah.
Hello.
Okay. Thank
Can
you.
you
Thank you
separate
very much.
for Agra or Delhi?
Agra or Delhi, yes, there are consultants, but I right now I don't have his number with me. Have you noted down my number? In that, you just give me a hi for WhatsApp. I will give
Right.
you. Yeah,
Right, sir.
it is
Vijay
better
sir?
that. Yes, please. My number. Shall I tell my number once again?
Yes, sir, please.
My number is 70 57 61 8636.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So you can just message me and I will guide you further for the Agra and yes, definitely no problem, sir.
हेलो
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
सर, अगर कोई फर्म पीएसआई स्कीम में बेनिफिट ले चुकी है, हेलो
आपका आवाज थोड़ा सा नहीं आ रहा सर, राजन सर.
जी सर, अभी आ रहा है
हाँ, थोड़ा सा आ रहा है. हाँ, इम्प्रूव हो गया है.
सर? अगर कोई फर्म अगर पीएसआई स्कीम के बेनिफिट ले चुकी हो, अगर वो इसमें जेड स्कीम में आना चाहे तो वो भी आ सकती है?
कौन से स्कीम में लिया है?
पीएसआई
हाँ, नहीं नहीं, जेड का अलग ही है. वो वहाँ पे लिया है, इसके लिए यहाँ पे नहीं मिलेगा ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
ओके, मतलब कोई ऐसा बाइंडिंग नहीं है अगर एक स्कीम ले चुके हैं तो ऐसे?
ना 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 ना.
तो एक यहाँ पे मैं भी पूछना चाहूंगी, दिस इज कोरिलेटेड.
हाँ,
सर, अभी जो नई लीन की जो स्कीम लॉन्च हुई है, लीन कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस, उसमें
करेक्ट है,
एक
करेक्ट.
प्रावधान रखा है कि अगर द पर्सन इज लाइक लीन सर्टिफाइड, देन ऑटोमेटिकली द जेड सर्टिफिकेशन इज टेकन केयर ऑफ.
No, 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 no. It is not like that. The some parameters are exempted from the audit assessment.
Okay. So
Yeah,
they will
yeah.
have to do the the Z certification.
They have to do a Z certification, but it will be easy for them. It will be little bit easy because some parameters will be exempted from the assessment.
Because they are like similar in lean.
Correct. Like absolutely correct.
Thank you.
Yeah, it will be easy for them. Yeah.
Any other queries? I see one query in the chat box over here. So please advise in what circumstances our application may get rejected or declined.
Okay. The rejected or declined एप्लीकेशन तो नहीं होगा. ओके, लेकिन हम आगे जाने के बाद 2-3 जगह हमको प्रॉब्लम आया था कि अगर your address on the उद्यम registration and your factory address is not matching. Okay, your udyam registration number is giving some address and actual factory address is something different. In that case, we will face some situations, problems. We have to update our udyam registration and then apply again, like that. That situation will come, but application itself it will not be rejected.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Apart from that, there are few other queries which have come from our other units, like MSME.
Yeah.
One is like for how many years that certificate will be valid?
Yeah. Very good questions. So this certificate is valid for 3 years.
Okay. Is it audit for surveillance?
Yes. For bronze, there is no surveillance audit. That means once you get the certificate, it is valid for 3 years. But in case of silver and gold, there is a surveillance audit every 18 months, 1.5 years. Just like ISO audit, we are having surveillance every year. So in case of ZeD, we are having surveillance audit every 1.5 years.
Okay, sir. Like if I am having like 2 units, one Udyam registration, can I avail benefits for both the units?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
There are some people having one, some people are having two, same Udyam registration. Separately, you can apply for a separate unit and you can get multi time benefits for each and every unit. No problem. So for one unit you have availed So next unit you will not get. It is not like that. Yeah.
And also, like, can I get reimbursement for IATF certification?
No, IATF you will not get reimbursement. Reimbursement is for ISO certificate. ISO 9000, ISO 45000, 50,000, 22,000. All ISO certificates reimbursement will be there. But IATF is not. You will not get reimbursement for IATF.
And when can I utilize the joining reward of 10,000?
10,000 rupees you can utilize it immediately, or if you are having time, then you can wait for up to 1 year. It is valid for 1 year. Within 1 year, anytime you can utilize it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if I am in micro category and I want to go for silver certification,
Yeah,
what
yeah.
will be the fees to be paid by me,
Correct,
sir?
correct. Yeah. Good question. So actually, I have prepared one Excel sheet for that. After deducting all that incentives, subsidies, and all that, if you are a micro, then yeah, to start total 40,000. So total 48,000. 40,000 plus 8,000. That means 48,000 rupees will be the if you go for hand holding.
Okay.
Okay. If
Okay.
you opt for hand holding, so you have
Mhm.
to pay 40,000 for hand holding and 8,000 for certification fees.
So
If you
total 48,000.
correct, total 48,000 rupees.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
And to whom I need to pay this fees?
You are supposed to pay all the fees to QCI directly. There is no money transaction between anybody. You are not supposed to pay to consultant, or no middleman is there. On that website, we have to log in, you have to apply, and online only you are supposed to pay all the fees. Okay.
Whether I'm required to pay this fees amount and then apply for subsidy refund, how is it, sir?
Just like what I have explained. So
Mhm.
on application itself, you will get the subsidy. That means first we have to pay the full amount and then apply for the subsidy amount. It is not like that. On application itself, you will get the subsidy.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
And
sir,
what is the
Yes, sir. Estolkar, sir.
kindly again explain the procedure for taking an example of a bronze. Bronze. If a micro unit get an bronze, then for upgrading from bronze to silver, he
Yeah,
has to take avail the benefit of that 10,000 rupees. Yeah.
correct.
And how can he get reimbursed? He has to
Okay.
pay only that subsidized amount, and the balance amount will directly go deducted and goes to the consultant after he received the silver amount. Please kindly
Yeah.
explain that procedure, sir,
Okay. Okay.
for the benefit of micro and small entrepreneurs.
Yes. When now I will just go to that slide. Mm, just a minute. Let me. Where is that slide? Yeah.
Yes.
Can you? Yeah. Okay. This is the yeah. So if in case of bronze, okay, the bronze fees is 10,000 rupees. The bronze is literally free. What we recommend is that you are getting bronze literally free. How it is free, I will explain you. The ZeD fees, the bronze fees is 10,000 rupees, and you are getting a 10,000 rupees of joining reward. So you have to just apply for this joining reward in case of bronze only. So bronze certificate is absolutely free. you are not supposed to pay a single paisa. Okay.
Apart from that, sir, I think there was one query in chat also. Can Z certificate be applied to get subsidy for ISO 17088 certification testing fees? ISO 17088 testing cost is 3,75,000 plus 18% GST.
No. ISO, what I just explained, ISO 9001, 14,000, okay, 45,000 and 50,000. This ISO will be, certificates will get reimbursed, not ISO 17,000.
So it is for particular ISOs only and not for
Yes.
all. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, apart from that, if I'm having Udyog Aadhaar and not Udyam registration, can I get that certification?
You have to convert that Udyog Aadhaar into Udyam registration. It is very simple process.
Yes.
Yeah. It is online, free of cost you can do, or you can take help of somebody who can help you, some CA or something, somebody who will migrate the Udyog Aadhaar into Udyam registration. It is very simple.
Okay.
Yeah. But on Udyam Aadhaar, you will not able to register. For registration, you need to have Udyam registration.
Registration only. So, yeah, that is mandatory for any MSME to get the eligible funds.
Correct. Udyam number is mandatory.
Yes, sir. Whether we should first get bronze and later to gold, or directly we can apply gold also.
Yes. You can directly apply for gold. Okay. But in that case, you cannot get the facility of hand-holding support.
Okay.
For getting hand-holding support activity, you are supposed to have minimum bronze. Then only while applying to bronze to silver or bronze to gold, you can ask for consultant support. But
So
if you are applying,
it is advisable to go from bronze first and then to
yes, always it is advisable to go for first bronze, and then you decide if you are applicable, you are confident that you can directly challenge gold, then no issue, you can go directly to gold. But I will suggest first bronze and then you can go, so that you can take help of consultant, because it is a subsidized. Yeah.
So I think we are almost done with the queries of all the participants. It was a very interesting session, sir. Estolkar sir, if you have anything to add on. Subhash sir.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Today's webinar we are going to conclude, and ZED certification system, its parameters, and how to approach, how to go step by step. What are the provisions? What are the features for adoption of the certificate? All details are given by Shri Vijay Khonde sir. So thank you very much, sir, that you have given very valuable details. And thank you, Mrinalin ma'am, that for organizing this webinar successfully without interruption. So thank you very much. I am also thankful to our Estolkar sir, under his direction and guidance we have organized this program. And thanks to all our participants for taking part in this webinar, and hope this certification will be useful for them. And in future, if any queries are there, you can contact our Aurangabad office or Mumbai office also. So thanks to all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. It was very, very nice presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you to all the participants and the dignitaries. Thank you very much, Khonde sir. Thank you very much, Estolkar sir, Ingewar sir. It was really a wonderful session, and we look forward for many more sessions here on. Thank you. And
thank you. And all the best for all participants, and hope in coming next financial year we may arrange like this online or physical programs and do actual registration. I suggest Khonde sir,
yes,
if it is possible, we can try to get one or two participants
Yes, yes.
onboarding on the same program.
Correct, correct.
So with this, I once again thanks to Plexconcils, Nalini ma'am, Shri Khonde sir. I take this opportunity to give thanks. Already my colleague Mr. Subhash Ingewar sir has
Yeah.
present the vote of thanks. So once again, I thanks to all and all the best to everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you to everybody. Thank you. And with this, we end the session. Thank you to all.